नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर गौरव गुप्ता, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फॉरेंसिक मेडिसिन एंड टॉक्सिकोलॉजी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। In previous sessions, we discussed about different methods of abortion, criminal method, therapeutic method, and findings of the abortion in case of living and after the death. Today, we will discuss medical termination of pregnancy, that is therapeutic abortion. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act (MTP) 1971. This act allows the termination of certain pregnancy by registered medical practitioners. This act was legislated by Parliament on August 10, 1971, and it was adopted by J&K and Mizoram in 1980. Now, what are the indications of MTP? The indications of MTP are therapeutic when woman life is in danger if pregnancy is continued, or eugenic when there is risk of child being born with serious physical or mental abnormalities, or humanitarian if pregnancy is caused by rape, or social reason where failure of contraceptive methods in married women results in pregnancy, or environmental where poor economic status which affects mother or child health status. Now, who can terminate a pregnancy? As per the MTP Act, pregnancy can be terminated only by a registered medical practitioner who meets the following requirements. One has a recognized medical qualification under the Indian Medical Council Act. Second, whose name is entered in the state medical register. Third, who has such experience or training in gynecology and obstetrics as per the MTP rules. Now, whose consent is required for termination of pregnancy? As per the provisions of the MTP Act, only the consent of women whose pregnancy is being terminated is required. However, in case of minor or a mentally ill woman, consent of guardian can be taken. This does not imply that only parents are required to consent. Consent is required for termination of pregnancy. The MTP Rules 2003 prescribe that consent needs to be documented on Form C as detailed below. Form C, Rule 9 Consent Form. This form is used to document consent of the woman seeking termination. Pregnancy of a woman who is above 18 years of age can be terminated with only her consent. If she is below 18 years of age or mentally ill, written consent of the guardian is required. Whose opinion is required for termination of pregnancy? The MTP Act details that for termination up to 12 weeks, the opinion of a single registered medical practitioner is required, and for termination between 12 and 20 weeks, the opinion of two RMPs is required. However, termination is conducted by one RMP. The MTP Regulations 2003 prescribe opinion of RMPs to be recorded on Form 1. Form 1 Regulation 3 Opinion Form. This form is used to record opinion of RMPs for termination of pregnancy. The Supreme Court's verdict allowing a woman from Mumbai to abort her 24-week pregnancy for abnormality of that fetus that could endanger her life has brought focus back on the proposed amendments to the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, which have proposed different amendments in the present act. In case of emergency, MTP can be performed by a single doctor even without required training, even after 20 weeks without consulting a second doctor in a private hospital which is not recognized. Termination of pregnancy by an unqualified person and at unrecognized center shall be punishable. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.